Hi everyone, it's a presentation from the Group 4, and today we'll discuss the topic is the ethical assurance of computers and artificial intelligence. Uh, Here is YUYAOYANG, and my metric number is 191225. And imagine a future where your medical diagnose the car's driving or your loan approval is made by an algorithm. But when something goes wrong, who takes the blame? AI is now making decisions in areas like health, transport, and finance. When it improves the speed and the efficiency, it also removes human judgment and empathy. Uh, Groups can analyze data but lack normal understanding. That's why we just build AI with efficiency, transparency, and shared responsibility. But when AI makes a mistake, like misdiagnosing a patient or causing a crash, who is responsible? The developer, the company, the user is unclear. A- Accountability creates serious essential problems. As Mitty stated at AI in 2016, explained it can damage justice and the human dignity. The reduce public trust in AI, which suggests 4 steps: set clear essential rules, ethical rules during development, share responsibility, use transparency logs to explain decisions, the seeking high-risk AI system. Our key idea is train transparency logs tools that record the explain AI decisions. As Doshi and Kim in 2017 note, they help make AI fair, not trust, and more responsible. Let's act now. We all are leaders, actors, and companies to suggest ethical AI and create clear rules. Together, we can build AI that's not just smart, but also human-centered. Mm, that's Next is Han Yuoyang.
Hello everyone, my name is YUYAOYANG and my perspective is personal privacy and data abuse. And today I want to talk about data privacy and protection. As we use digital technology daily, our personal data is being collected at an unprecedented rate. Websites and apps collect our browsing history, location, interests, and even our health data. However, most of people don't understand how their data is used and lack control over it. This default consistent is eroding our privacy. In the digital age, personal data is like the new god. When abused, the consequences are severe. Data breaches are coming more frequently, putting not only our personal privacy at risk, but also threatening the security of business and governments. The cost of protection is rising, and data breaches can lead to financial loss, identify theft, and even protective manipulation. For example, in 2023, 23andMe, this company suffered a data breach, leaking the personal and genetic data of 6.9 million users, raising concerns about data protection. So how can we solve this? I think minimum collection and prevalence first and user control. About minimum collection, it's only one collect the data necessary for the service. And about privacy first, develop systems that prioritize privacy, clearly information users about data use in simple terms. Last point is user control. Allow users to view, download, and delete their data to improve transparency. Who need to act? I think government, business, users, and ourselves. First one is government. Government should enforce security regulations and punish companies that violate privacy. And business companies should follow regulations, improve transparency, and build trust. About users, users should be more aware of privacy and make informed decisions. Last point is ourselves. We should learn about data security and user privacy tools. This ensures goes beyond the technology. It's a people-oriented data insights framework. It protects users, builds trust, and is scalable across countries. Thank you. It's turn to MINGJIE.
Hello everyone, my name is MINGJIE and my metric number is A191284. Today I will briefly share my perspective on the ethical challenges of artificial intelligence from the perspective of public interest and social justice. To truly benefit society, AI must be fair, transparent, and guided by ethics, not just technology. Let me start with the question. If an AI machine decided whether you get a job, pass an exam, or receive medical treatment, would you accept that decision? As AI becomes more deeply involved in our lives, we must ask who controls AI and who is responsible for these decisions. Many AI systems work like black boxes, difficult to understand or question. From a social justice point of view, this is worrying. AI is widely used in education, finance, healthcare, and even law, but biased algorithms can make unfair decisions, especially towards minority groups. This may lead to social inequality and discrimination. Privacy is also a big issue. People's personal data is often collected and used without consent, according to the European Commissions. This can harm public trust and personal freedom. Even worse, when something goes wrong, no one takes responsibility. This lack of accountability weakens people's confidence in the legal system. So what should we do? I propose a system that combines ethical governance and public education. First, governments should set up independent AI ethics regulators. Second, companies must develop explainable AI so that people can understand how AI decisions are made. Finally, we need AI ethics education in schools and universities to prepare future generations for responsible innovation. As an organization for economic cooperation and development states, trustworthy AI must be fair, transparent, and accountable. This is not just a tech problem, it's a societal challenge. Let's work together to make sure AI respects human dignity and serves everyone fairly. Thank you. It's turn to Zheng BITAO.
Hello, my name is ZHENG BITAO. My metro number is A191802. As we can see now, we could imagine AI curing diseases, solving global issues, and expanding what human can do. That's the dream, but right now we are caught in a race for raw computing power, ignoring smarter, more efficient model design. And that's a mistake because AI can help or harm depending on how we shape it. Instead of chasing better ideas, we are pouring money into massive hardware. Even scientists know this path isn't sustainable, but capital controls the game. We are building more powerful systems without making them better thinkers. AI is already being used for creative work and decision making, but it still lacks real human understanding. We are handing it roles it's not ready for, and that's risky. This isn't just a tech issue, it's affecting real jobs, real decisions, and real trust. By focusing only on power, we waste time and energy while rolling out half-baked AI into sensitive areas like finance, healthcare, and hiring. The public is trusting tools that aren't truly reliable. And if these keep going, we are heading for serious failures. As AI researcher Meredith Whitaker put it, the AI hype is outpacing the reality, and that's a dangerous gap. To fix this problem, shift focus from bigger machines to smarter models. Developers can make AI more efficient. Researchers can build better designs. Policymakers can set safety standards. Investors can back smarter efforts, not just faster ones. Smarter AI is cheaper, greener, and more reliable. It performs better and earns trust. If you manage AI resources, slow down. Treat AI like any other tool, not magic. Stop rushing to slap AI on everything. Let's progress. Be steady, not frantic. Build models that are actually ready. That's how we make AI truly work for everyone. That's opinion from me. Thank you. Next to present is YINGXI.
Hi everyone, my name is YINGXI. As AI become part of our daily lives, from job application to self-driving cars, we need to ask if AI make a mistake, who should be responsible? To machine or a person who built it? So today I want to talk about a gross issue, the access of computers and artificial intelligence. And from my perspective, programmers carry major responsibility in how the system shape the world. Behind every AI system, there are real people, programmers and engineers, write codes that tells us what to do. But here's the problem. Many developers haven't been taught much about the access. That means they might build systems that are unfair, invade privacy, or hurt certain groups without even realizing it. So I believe this is a serious issue. As AI become more powerful, developers must take more responsibility. It is not just about writing codes that runs. It is about creating systems that respect values like fairness, safety, and equality. Without ethical awareness, even well-designed technology can cause harm. So this isn't just serious, it is already happening. For example, Amazon had scrapped an AI hiring tools in 2018 because it was biased against women. Another example is social media algorithms have helped spread fake news, especially during the 2016 for United States election. So if we ignore these issues, trust in technology will suffer, and that is problem for everyone. So what can we do? The first is we should teach access in every computer science or AI class, just like programming or math. Second, we need simple ethical guidelines to help developers think about the impacts of their work. And the third, companies should remind their teams, if you build it, you have responsibility for it. So let's make sure the people building our technology also think about the people using it, because in the end, ethical programming isn't just good practice, it is necessary for building a better future. That's all for my perspective. In conclusion, our group highlights key ethical concerns in AI, including privacy, programmer responsibility, fairness, and accountability. So we believe AI should be guided by access and long-term model optimizations rather than short-term gains raw computing powers. That's all. Thank you.